Hey, this is a step-by-step guide on how to set up everything from scratch. First, clone the repo. Alright, might take a while. In the meantime, when it's cloning, what we have to do first is we have to create a bot. Go to Discord bot developer and applications and new application. And here, what we need is we need to go into OAuth 2. And here we have to check this one, bot. And here we need to check this one, we need to check. And we need to check this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. And after we check these, here's a link, copy it, and you can invite the bot into the server. So in this case, I'm going to make a new server and test it. 1 second, let me make a new server. Perfect. And let's invite the bot inside. Okay. Next thing we need to do is we need to go back to the bot and go into here, the bot row, and click those 3 things. And save changes. After that, we would need to grab the token. And you can just click this, reset token. Let me enter my password. Okay, perfect. Yeah, and this is a token, and we need this token for the environment variable. So here inside the folder Discord bot, we can initialize an .env file, and we can do Discord bot token equal to this token here. And also, we have to set up the repo secret. So here, Discord bot token, we can update it to reflect our newest token. Update the secret here. And that should be it for Discord bot. Next, we need to set up the database, which is the Firestore. I'll do it under my main account. Go to console. Hopefully I can translate it to English. That will be convenient. Okay, perfect. Let me make a new one. Oh, sure. Just waiting for it to load. Okay, good. here we need to do a few things. So first we need to initiate a Firestore connection. Perfect. All right. So create a database, and then yeah, that should be good. I don't think that matters. Either would work. And here, just to be safe, I'm going to start just going to fill in some like initial data so that hopefully it works. So I'm just gonna migrate the data from my working database into here, just one document. 1 second, let me find out. Yeah, this is it's a good version. Firestore, and we will call the collection Discord. Really hope I can translate it into English. It's whatever. And then hold on. The ID should actually be the Discord ID. Commit count. And then GitHub ID. Just filling in one data so that it doesn't crash out, because I'm worried that if the code sees that the Firestore is empty, I'm worried that there will be bug. Never happened before though. Row. Member. All right. Safe. Okay. After that, we go into here, setting. Damn. Okay, service account. Python, and then generate a key. And this key, we will put it inside the, I'm pretty sure it's actually at the very outside, and we will name it to be, hold on, let me double check. Not this. It's all right. Pretty sure. Yeah, credentials.json. Credentials.json. And another thing we have to do is we have to go to this website, and we will paste in the JSON and encode it into a string. The reason why we have to do this is because a JSON file couldn't be saved as a secret. It will bug out, and only a string works best. Google Credentials JSON is the name of the repository secret, and we are going to update it with the string. Perfect. Yeah, the next thing we have to do is we have to create the GitHub token. It's this link, GitHub settings, tokens, and here click on generate a new token, call it the final test, because it should be the final version. Check the repo and generate. this token will be stored in the environment as well. And we can call it Discord token. And this token will also be stored in the secret. Perfect. The next thing we have to do is we have to set up the GitHub authentication. So let's go there. Let's go to GitHub OAuth. So let me make a new authentication app, and we can call it whatever we want. And here is important: the homepage URL. Keep it like this. And the callback URL, keep it like this. And create. Done. We will take two values from this. The first value is a client ID. The second value is the secret. Oops, generate a new client secret. Okay, good. The other two values are hard-coded. Repo owner. We put it as this one because we are reading data from this specific repo. And so is this value here. And one last thing that's also hard-coded, this one. Those three value is set. There's no changing. And that's our .environment folder. So after all that is done, we will open the terminal and run a few commands. The first command is to make sure that no virtual environment is present. The second one is to create a virtual environment under the Python version 3.13. Right, other Python version might bug out. And we will activate the virtual environment. Make sure this thing is upgraded, and install all the requirements. Right. Before we automate the roles, we have to link our account into the GitHub account. So here you see currently the Firestore database is empty. Oops, there's one, but I can pretty sure I just delete it. So we have to first establish a link between my Discord username and the GitHub username. So let's do that. Let's initialize the bot. So we have to run this command here. Okay, perfect. Now let's go into our Discord and go. This is the most recent server, and I'm just going to test out the link. This link does not not only does it work like locally, it works for everybody. So I can use this command on my phone or like another device. So here it's telling me to go into this link. So I do that and I authorize. Right, login successful. And here in the database, it created a link into my Discord ID, sorry, GitHub ID. So now it has this link. We can use the workflow to automatically update my roles. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna run two commands. The first command is to set the default repo for GitHub workflow running. The second command is to run the workflow, which will fetch data, update the Firestore, and also automatically assign roles based on the updated Firestore. Let's take a look at how it's doing. So you see it's creating all the missing roles in the new created server. And because I'm a new member, it's gonna give me a member role. But hopefully if I contribute more, my role will go up. So as you see here, I got my role. Let me show you. See here? It wasn't here before. And I'm gonna invite you to the server in case if you want to try it out yourself. Like for example, link it to your GitHub and run the workflow